Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device, or how you can customize watermark. So first, let's open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the photos, settings, and here in the watermark you will firstly have to enable it, device watermark I mean, and here you can enter your custom watermark. And now every photo you take will be marked with your custom watermark, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.